Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Sharath from Agastya International Foundation. So, function key. No, no. Yeah, thank you. So, I'm resuming. Uh, Actually, the program is Tekla Bike. It is a technology-enabled lab on a bike. Okay, and sponsored by Google. The picture also symbolizes the intent of the program. Like a trained instructor will be traveling on a bike equipped with some low-cost hands-on models and a laptop to to the village schools, and each instructor will be handling around 18 to 20 schools each month. So we are operating this program in Haryana, Gujarat, and Karnataka. So, Tekla Bike is an innovative program which is meant to bring science education and digital literacy to the doorsteps of the village schools. Like we are going to the rural schools where the children doesn't have much access to the computers, and we are teaching them. Not only children, we are teaching students also. So it is mainly focusing on three or four things. The first thing is to provide a hands-on science awareness to the children and a multimedia exposure for children, and then digital literacy for teachers, thus enhancing the science teaching methodologies for teachers and encouraging interaction amongst the teachers of different schools. Like using Google Plus or the teacher community portals, we are doing this interaction amongst the teachers of different schools. So in the picture itself it is given like the bike picture equipped with a LIB box. There are 10 LIB boxes following a stipulated curriculum, and 4 boxes are of physics, 4 of chemistry, and 2 of biology. And the hands-on models will be there. Also, the hands-on session will be there for the students in the pre-lunch session, followed by the multimedia exposure. On the same hands-on models, the instructor will be teaching the children with a handheld projector and a laptop, so that the laptop will be projected and the children will be explained on the same hands-on concepts, so that to enhance the multimedia exposure of the children. And in the post-lunch session, what the instructor will do is, we will select the science teacher of the 7th standard and will teach that particular teacher on the digital literacy concepts. There is a curriculum for the digital literacy concepts also, which includes the basic internet skills and the basic MS Office skills, everything. So all these basic internet and computer skills will be passed on to that particular teacher during a course of a year, academic year. And coming on to the uniqueness and impact. Uniqueness is a blended approach where we are inculcating the skills of ICT, science, and thus sparking up creativity in children. And the digital literacy for the teachers is providing a force multiplier effect. Force multiplier effect is nothing but like after Agastya's intervention also, the students will be getting trained on the computer concepts and the science hands-on concepts by the teachers who are already trained for a particular year. say for next year if you are not going to the particular school, the teacher will be able to pass on whatever inputs he or she got from the instructors regarding the computers to the children of next batch. And there is an online teacher community portal available, so that will enhance the interaction and the professional development of teachers, so that if they are having any doubt they can post the questions over there. And the availability of content is there in local languages, like we are having it in Kannada, Gujarati and Hindi. Gujarati, it is under development. Hopefully within 2 months it will be developed. And the program is cost effective because we are using a bike and an instructor with some low cost science models, and the reach of the program is also can be enhanced because bike can travel the places where a van can't travel. So the mobile science labs also we are having. If the van can travel, van can't travel to a particular place, the bike can be able to travel there. And the scalability and sustainability is also enhanced by this program. And as we have started the program this year only, I have got a projected impact that we are looking into for the next 3 years, starting from 2014 to 2017 March. As I told earlier, we are operating in 3 regions: Haryana, Gujarat and Karnataka, 3 states. In Karnataka, we are having 20 instructors who are handling around 15 to 20 schools each, depending on the geography and the location. And in Haryana, we have 5 instructors, and in Gujarat, we have 5. And we will be going to the school and we will be selecting the maximum number of children as 40, because more than 40 our instructor can't handle with a very low infrastructure our government schools are having as of now. So maximum we are selecting as 40. It might vary like 41 or 42 or 38 or 35. And this is a projected impact, so that the number of schools which the instructor will be traveling or taking sessions will be 1620, and the number of children exposure will be around 64,800. And I don't want to bore all of you with this numbers projected impact, so it is there.
Is that?
And thank you.
All right. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Any questions from the panelists or the audience again?
Yeah, of course. Feedback, we are collecting it on a monthly basis from our instructors. So we are getting some testimonials from the instructors, but the children always they will give a positive testimonial. But we do are getting some positive feedbacks from the teachers and the government authorities who are visiting the school. And also, like whoever external people are coming and visiting during the session, like the management people or this aided school management and all. So whoever is visiting, they are also giving a positive feedback, and I think the feedback will be also enhanced in the course of time. Yeah. No, curriculum is constant. It's according to the state board syllabus which is followed on that particular state. We are following a stipulated curriculum. No, only 7th standard. As I told earlier, only 7th standard students we are selecting, because we want them to step into their high school equipped with some digital literacy and hands-on science concepts. So our idea is actually to spark a curiosity in children by showing all these things, so that if they are creative, the creativity will come up. So sparking a curiosity is the only way to shoot up the creativity. That's it. Yes?
What is the frequency? In a school like,
frequency of visit. As one instructor is handling around 20 schools, depending on the Saturday, Sunday, holidays and all, one instructor will be visiting a particular school once in a month. We have been advised, we have advised our instructors to visit a school for 12 times a year, but 10 times will be possible because their exams will come, vacation will come, school functions will come, practical issues will come up. But at least 9 or 10 times a year, each instructor will be visiting a school.
Okay. Sir, I think we have to take the last question. Dr. Ranga has some comments.
Okay. Solar kit we are not using as of now. Thank you very much. I am accepting it. I'll discuss and I'll. Of course, sir. Thank you very much for the offer.